Hello viewers, in this video I will be telling you guys how to debloat any Android device without the need to having to root your device. The only thing you need is a working PC and your device itself. So without any further ado, let's begin. As you can see here that this is an app that I want to uninstall, but this due to being a system app cannot be uninstalled. Let us just head over to settings and tap MIUI version 7 times to enable the developer options on this particular device. But if you are doing this on some other device, you might need to tap the build number 7 times to enable developer options. Scroll down and just enable USB debugging there. Let us head over to our PC now. The tool we would be using to debloat our Android is ADB App Control, whose link can be found in the description down below. So just go into the description and download the required tool. After we unzip it on the desktop, you need to run the ADB app control.exe. But before doing that, connect your phone to the PC via the data cable provided in the box itself. From here, it is just a matter of uninstalling the items that you do not want on your device. Click yes here as it will take a backup of all the apps that you are uninstalling. Just in case you want to restore any of the deleted apps, go to the deleted tab and click update application data. Make sure that your phone is unlocked and still connected to the laptop or PC. You can either select all or choose one by one. Then just click restore to restore your apps and bring back the phone to the stock state. That's pretty much it for this video guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, consider liking and sharing this video. I'll see you in the next one.